And today we're going to be doing another Donkey's Feet kind of video. So today we're reviewing a prototype. So it's kind of a little bit different. It's a little bit stripped down than a normal game, but it is playable, as we've established in the title. It's called Do Something in Space. Do Something, I think, is quite broad. There isn't that much you can do on it. You can accelerate and rotate your ship, you can lose fuel, you can cause minimal damage to your ship, and use a tractor beam to catch people. You can land, deploy a pilot on the ground and walk. That's basically it. Yeah, so basically it's a really open-ended thing at the moment. I'm not sure what it looks like at the moment. You open up, you get this. Now the first thing that I'm slightly confused by is like that we're not moving. We're entirely still, but we seem to be quite close to this planet. You know, there's no gravity or anything involved. Also, you can turn without using any fuel, which to me seems a little bit crazy, because we can just pick up a person without even going anywhere near the planet. We're gonna go see. Oh, okay. That is clearly a glitch. I'm not touching the keyboard right now. My hands are up in the air. We could even like click off it and come back to it, and yeah, it's still there. That same thing is still happening. I don't know if we can. Oh no, we can accelerate. We appear to have reached terminal velocity there at 11. So yeah, if you go off screen, that appears to be the glitch that happens. I also noticed another thing. So basically, that's what we're going to be doing, is just going through the glitches. I don't really like this stuttering. I don't think that's great. So we've arrived. Now the landing, I think, is a bit dodgy. We can also, this is something I thought as well that was a bit weird, is if we're stuck on this platform, like this planet here, but we hold down one of the buttons, the fuel still goes on even though we're not going anywhere, which is a bit weird. I thought. There we go, we're stuck to a passenger. I'm gonna try and, yeah, if you kind of land on a planet, you actually can't get off the planet, as you can kind of see here. So there isn't anywhere that I found of getting off the planet. I think you could kind of move a little bit if you got it in the right angle, but as soon as you've landed, you're kind of stuck there. It's not if you've landed that much. I don't know if that's what you mean by minimal damage, I'm not sure. Okay, and the fuel can go into negative numbers, which is interesting. I don't know what the resistance is either. I'm not sure how we deploy the pilot. I mean, you'd think it would be a logical key. Not that one. Just deploy your pilot. What if we try this link? Maybe this will help. Nope. Don't think so. No, we never get to know. See, your version here on the images looks quite different to the one we've got. You've got like that. I don't know if that's just an old version or not, but yeah, you're definitely out there. Sorry about that, that's my cat. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Oops, that's G-Force. Not entirely sure how you actually get out of the ship. Oh, hang on. There you go, enter. That's how you get out. Wow. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I quite like the orbital. I like that, actually, the movement around the planet. That's quite cool. I haven't really seen that in many games. And go back in the ship, but we can never leave. That's a problem. So yeah, actually, the foundation is pretty good. There's just a few little glitches and stuff I've just been through there, and really, it could go quite a lot of places. I'm thinking specifically, quite similar to my No Man's Sky video, or that set of videos, is that you could probably do something along those lines, but possibly without blocks necessarily, and just yeah, stick very much to No Man's Sky instead of doing something too different. We're not logging in, but yeah, that's actually really good. I quite like that. The simple basis that you've got going. More planets would definitely be good. I also want to see, is there some sort of interaction? No, we can just race him. That's all we can do. We can never leave though again. So yeah, there's a few glitches. Oh no, we did leave them, but we're probably gonna crash. Yeah, we're gonna do this thing again. Okay. Well, okay, well, yeah, we're doing this. So that is a key thing that should probably be fixed. In terms of the planets, I'd really like to see more planets. I think you've already put this resource gathering, so having to go onto those planets and having your player have to do something on the planets, so gathering minerals, stuff, especially to refuel, possibly like, I'm thinking different ships possibly, so have some sort of crafting method so you can feel like you're progressing throughout the game. Maybe that's an idea, but yeah, basically it needs some more. You know that it's a prototype, that's fine, but those glitches need to be sorted before you go into the next bit, because it'll just make it harder and harder and harder the further on you go. But yeah, that was my review, if you want to say, of the Do Something in Space. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, always do you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.